This is Aingeal, Rose, and Ahonu, and we're here to invite you to attend our new one-day manifesting workshop. This is in response to people who have written us about going through incredible confusion and misplaced identity since the beginning of this year. So our planet is definitely in a dimensional split, and this manifesting workshop is going to deal with releasing the old paradigm entirely from ourselves, from our bodies, and moving into what some people call the new earth or the happy dream. So this day is going to be highly experiential. I won't lie to you, there's going to be a bit of personal work involved, but we will all be sharing, we will all be releasing, and we will all be transforming. So hope to see you there.